How to install WordPress in your computer. WordPress installation guide. Get free domain and 24/7 support from wordpress.com. Get started today. Select your hosting plan. WordPress web hosting. WordPress hosting plans, shared hosting plans. How to install WordPress, a computer beginner's guide. Learn how to install WordPress on shared hosting and local machine, easy step by step. One click install WordPress, a free web hosting control panel, a simple but powerful control panel. You can manage the web server through web based GUI. How do I install WordPress on my computer? Do I need to install WordPress on my computer? How do I install WordPress for free? How do I install WordPress on Windows 10? Installing WordPress on your own computer, wordpress.org. Then, in order to install WordPress, download zip file and extract into the web directory of your uh, WAMP installation. It's normally installed as C. uh, how to install XAMPP and WordPress locally on Windows PC. Download and install XAMPP and on your computer. Step 2. Start the module and test your server. Step 3. Add the WordPress file. Step 4. Create a database for WordPress. Step 5. Install WordPress locally via the on-screen installer. How to install WordPress on your Windows computer using OK. Installing a WAMP on Windows computer. First, you need to download the WAMP software and install it on your computer. Simply to go to the how to install WordPress the right way. How to install WordPress in your computer. Simply log in into your WordPress engine dashboard and visit the sites page. You will list of all your website. Okay, how to install WordPress on local host, 7 steps. Just open the website. Then I will show you how to install it. Okay, here we go. Installing WordPress on local host is quite easy. You just have to follow some easy steps. You cannot install WordPress on your local computer directly. You have to create an environment, then install WordPress on localhost. Initially, it is about just three major tasks, such as create an environment, download WordPress from its website, WordPress on localhost. These three major tasks can be completed through some easy steps. Follow the following steps without skipping any of them to install WordPress on your computer successfully. Okay, step 1, download a local server software. You need a local server software to create a local host environment to install WordPress on localhost. In this tutorial, we are using the MAMP for that. MAMP is a cross-platform web server solution stack package. Since WordPress is written in PHP language, it requires a platform to run. MAMP is the way to do this. You can use a development environment of your choice according to your OS. Download MAMP from their official site. The reason I am recommended MAMP is it works on both Mac and Windows operating system. I found MAMP much more user friendly than the other local server environment. If you have Linux running on your machine, you need XAMPP. Check this link to know how to download or use XAMPP for this purpose. Okay, click on the downloaded MAMP and MAMP Pro package file to run installer. Come in the single package. by default. Click continue to on some subsequent purpose until the install option comes. Okay. Once you have installed MAMP successfully, run MAMP on your computer and click on Start Services. After starting the servers, the system will take you to the access page in your default browser displaying more information. Create a database. Your WordPress site need a database to save its item data on. Go to the localhost PHP myadmin on your browser. Click the on new and give it the name. Then click on create to finish the process. Download WordPress. To install WordPress on localhost, you need to download WordPress from the official site. Unzip the downloaded zip file. Step 6. Put WordPress in MAMP's htdocs. Now go to MAMP directly in your computer system drive. Open htdocs folders and paste unpacked WordPress folders in there. Install WordPress on localhost. Uh, Type localhost WordPress name of your WordPress file in the htdocs on your browser address bar and hit enter. Now perform a few more actions to complete the WordPress installation on localhost. Select a language and click continue. Click on let's go button on your following page. Give all required information. These pages require database name, username and password. Both will be root as mentioned in MAMP installations success page. Hope you guys like the video. Subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.